Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to trade pre-market on Robinhood. Pre-market trading allows you to react to news and earnings before the market opens, but it comes with lower liquidity and wider spreads, so caution is important. First, open the Robinhood app, log in, and make sure the app is updated and your account is verified. To trade pre-market, you need to enable extended hours trading. Go to the Account tab, then Settings, then Trading Settings, and turn on Extended Hours Trading. Next, search for a stock that supports pre-market trading. On the stock's detail page, you may see price movement before the market opens, which can be sharper due to lower volume. Tap Trade, choose Buy or Sell, and select your order type. In pre-market, limit orders are usually better because they give you more control over price. Enter the number of shares or the dollar amount, review the order, and submit it. If the order doesn't fill immediately, it may remain pending. Keep an eye on your order status and always use limit orders when price control matters. Happy trading and trade with discipline. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.